Stop visible drywall damage from ruining a thermostat swap by repairing old holes and securing the new base so the device sits flat, works reliably, and looks professional. When replacing a thermostat, first remove power at the breaker and take a clear photo of wiring and labels so you can return wires to exact terminals. This prevents miswiring that can damage equipment. Use a stud finder and small pilot holes to map cavity depth and avoid cutting into wiring or conduit behind the wall. For holes left by anchors, remove loose material, then fill with a high-quality setting compound or quick setting joint compound, pressed flush and feathered at least 2 inches beyond the hole, allowing full cure time before sanding to avoid shrinkage and hollows. If the previous thermostat plate is larger than the new base, cut a neat backing patch from a thin piece of plywood or foam backer board sized to fit in the cavity. Glue and screw it to the surrounding drywall through the repaired patch so screws have solid bite without enlarging the new hole. Use drywall tape over seams before skim coating with 2 thin coats of joint compound, sanding between coats with fine grit sandpaper, then prime the patch to match paint adhesion and color. For mounting anchors, choose nylon anchors rated for the thermostat weight and shear load, or use toggle anchors for hollow wall cavities. Pre-drill at the anchor manufacturer's recommended diameter and avoid oversizing holes. If wire placement interferes with an ideal mounting position, consider using a recessed thermostat wiring box to recess wires slightly and allow a cleaner flush mount, or install a paintable trim plate that covers up to 3 inches of mismatch without moving the device. Finally, test the thermostat function and confirm the device sits perfectly level and snug against the wall. Gently tug mounting screws to check anchor security and apply a small bead of paintable caulk around the plate if you want a finished gap seal. One of the common thermostat installation mistakes is leaving old drywall anchors and holes visible, which hurts aesthetic and mounting stability. Fix this with proper patching, backing plates, and primer so anchors hold in solid material. One of the common wiring mistakes is not documenting wire positions before removal, leading to incorrect terminal connections and system faults. Fix this by photographing labels, using colored tape and a checklist to match each conductor to its correct terminal. One of the common mounting mistakes is using wrong anchors for hollow walls that spin or pull out over time, causing loose thermostats and intermittent contact. Fix this by picking anchors rated for the device weight, using toggles for low-density cavities, or installing a recessed box or backing panel. BigHomeProjects.com is a directory that helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who can repair drywall, install recessed wiring boxes, or mount thermostats correctly. It also helps contractors get work by listing their services, ratings, and project photos so serious homeowners can hire vetted professionals for clean, reliable thermostat replacements.